yun. But after that, yung advice na hiningi niya sa akin, tinry ko naman siya kausapin. Diba? Tapos, tinanong niya sa akin, yung scene sa car, yung ending na, tinanong niya sa akin na, paano mo, what did he ask me?
How do you feel?
Yung character, like, because I was crying that
You're
time.
crying. She's good at crying.
Sabi ko, it depends na kung na-feel mo yung character mo, doon ka huhugot. Pero kung hindi, you have to think na makaka-relate ka, yung personal experience mo, na makaka-relate dun sa character mo. Sabi niya, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, ay, naman pala eh. Okay. Tapos yun. Yun lang. Yun lang naman tinanong mo sa akin eh. Kasi ano naman siya, stage actor siya. So, more or less, alam na niya yung mga ganong bagay. Yun lang, medyo kailangan lang medyo, minsan na ito nakapansin ko, ang laki ng movements. Kasi nga sila stage actor. So, it's different pag sa TV.
TV is here lang. All eyes.
Yun.
Ayan. From Synth naman, question for Guji. Ayan. What was your unforgettable moment with Kay on screen and off screen? Most unforgettable moment.
Most unforgettable moment? Wow.
Yung totoo. Hindi ko rin alam.
I think my most unforgettable moment was day one, na yung first kissing scene. It was, kasi it was so awkward. But at the same time, how do you say it?
Naninig siya.
No, because you fell. We both fell. And we started laughing. And actually, I think that was the moment now, okay, we can be okay. Because we both laughed at that. But you fell down, you hurt yourself, I fell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun na yun?
This happened on set.
On set.
How about off-screen daw? Meron daw bang unforgettable moments?
Off screen, when the cameras are off. so, there's a lot of things. You can't pinpoint one, no. But I'll come back to that. I'll think about it.
Wow,
Forget
unforgettable.
natin yung question na yan later. Let's move on to the next one. From Beach 49er, and tinatanong naman niya, if you were the audience daw, which story would you like better? Yung Peppers, Roses, or yung Somewhere in My Heart?
Oh.
Tough question.
Well, yung Somewhere in My Heart is very funny. Diba? The book was hilarious. I read it twice.
Yeah, right.
I did.
No way.
I did.
You read the script, but not the book.
Yeah.
So, see?
But it's funny. It's so funny. You're gonna like Somewhere in My Heart. Peppers, Roses naman, it's not so... It's funny also, but it's not the same type of comedy.
Yeah, it's more of a love story.
Yeah.
Diba?
This one is romantic
That's
comedy.
not so funny. Ito kasi, yeah, romantic comedy.
And in this time, kasi in Peppers, Roses, I'm chasing after you now. Oh no, you're chasing after me.
Peppers, Roses?
Yeah.
I'm chasing after you.
But in Somewhere in My Heart, I'm gonna be the one chasing after her.
Kasi nga madre na ako. Na-challenge siya kasi nga madre.
But in the first week, it's different. It's like Peppers, Roses. But for the rest of the story, I'll be the one chasing after her character.
So, ano ang gusto mo?
Of course, the one that's more funny, so we can laugh. Audience, it's lighter. It's probably mostly for the audience, and it'll be a good time. Because if it's long, also you don't want to be happy when you watch. So hopefully, you'll enjoy it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next question from Sin for Gucci. Sabi niya, you have explored TV, singing, and stage plays. Which do you find more challenging and which medium are you more comfortable with?
Pagbubod. Gusto niya maging bold star.
Actually, someone was asking kanina kung makikita daw ba nila si Gucci na shirtless somewhere in Weimar.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ayan. So guys, dapat yung abangan niya, mga shadows. Kailangan niyo panoorin yung episode niya.
Blanket kami.
I was on the floor. Right. Yes.
Gusto niyo makita yung buong katawan niya? Ngayon na.
Oh, sige. No, you will... Question, what was the question again?
Yung ano, saka mas comfortable.
Ah,
Singing,
yeah.
TV, or stage plays.
Well, my first love, of course, is theater and music. That's why I don't think I'll ever stop doing music and theater. No matter how busy I am in TV, I'll always try to find time for that. In fact, I'm going to audition for Rent this week. And then, but I think that the hardest would be for me would be theater. You can't stop. But you can't stop. Once you're on stage, you're there now. You have to know what you're doing. You have to be on point. But I don't find it is. That's the only reason why it's harder. But for the most part, it's all the same to me. It's all different mediums, but it's all the same. It's still performing. On TV naman, it's difficult for me to tone down yung movements ko kasi sa theater, I have to be bigger. But on TV, you have to act smaller. So it's all a challenge. All of it's a challenge, and it's all fun work. I don't think I can really pinpoint which one I like the best. But if I can go back, I can go back always to music, no matter what. Music's always my number one.
And from Annie naman, for Kay and Gucci, may I ask what are your sizes of shirt and shoes?
Ito naman, kayo naman, kaya naman.
No,
My
sabi niya,
Artie
I want to buy shirts or shoes for both of you here because I'm going for a vacation this coming December. Ayan,
Yay!
Siya si Annie.
And
Shirt and shoe size.
state sizes.
Of course.
I guess so.
Small, extra small, smaller than extra small.
No way.
Yeah, depends when you
Really
shop.
not?
Like at Gap, I'm small and extra small. I am.
Yeah, correct.
Shop at Gap. You want to buy a shoe?
Shoes.
9.5.
No way!
9.
Ako shirt, extra small.
Extra small.
No, extra small.
This-
Kung may double X, wala.
There's not even a size for her.
Gago.
It's the no.
Sa kids.
Sa kids, she's even smaller too.
Sa shoes, 5. 5.5.
No way.
Gusto mo 7?
7.
Hindi, 5.5.
She thinks she's a 7. Evan, I don't know.
Yun, thank you in advance.
Ayan, so Annie, expect nila yung pasalubong mo in December. Dito sa Philippines. Ayan.
Where are you from?
She didn't say it.
She didn't say?
Annie, please type again your location daw. Ayan.
Oo, kasi nagpaplano ang KGs ng parang Christmas party. Diba?
My dad said sit up straight. Okay, Dad.
Oh, yeah?
My dad's watching
Hi, Tito!
from the States.
Wow!
Yan. May Christmas party. So, sana makapunta lahat ng KGs.
Yes, may Christmas party. I like toys. Just kidding. I do like toys. But, never mind. Scratch that.
Okay, next question. About your dream roles naman daw. For Kay, syempre, you're more experienced na sa TV. Have you played na your dream role? If not, ano yung role na gusto mo pang magampanan in the future? And same question then for Gucci. Your dream role.
Meron akong dream role na sobrang babaw, tsaka isa sobrang, hindi naman lalim, pero ano talaga, yung mababaw, gusto ko ma-experience yung, parang Princess Diaries. Gusto ko yung princess. Why?
Wala.
Di ba kayo sa akin maging princess?
I just laugh.
Hindi kasi sa totoong buhay, gusto ko maging prinsesa. Hindi naman prinsesa, pero